Hello everyone, my name is Neilot Cordobes and today I will present and to solve a common problem in my field in the work. Um, in my work, I feeling technician for company responsible for managing the collection of money from automatic recharge machines or ATM for Bogota Transmilenio Public Transportation System. Mm, My main responsibilities include collecting money from the machines, uh, repairing them wet. Uh, they are timing, replacing parts, and addressing user complaints when the machines fail to recharge the cards properly. Problem description. What of the most common cha challenges in my hub is the improper use of the machines by users. Many users are not familiar um, with how to correlate use the ATM, which often leads with issues like bill hating stuck or the machines not processing translation properly. For example, user frequently insert folded or damaged bills. Will the machines cannot accept, causing delays and frustration for both the user and the man. A possible solution to address this issue, we can implement a solution using modal verbs. For instance, ATM could include an audio guide that explains you users how to properly use the machines. The audio could something like place inserted and bit that is not folded and is good condition. This could help users uh, understand the correct way to use the machines and reduce the number of input code by improper using. Condition and result. With implementing solution, it can have some significant improvements. For exam, for example, if the ATMs provide clear audio instruments, users will learn how to use the machines correctly, and number of complaints and technical issues will decrease. Additionally, for users follow the instructions, the machines will operate more efficiently, and the overall user experience will improve. Recommendations is essential for professional in field to ensure that the machines are you friendly and user and education on education to use them. Mm, im- Impact on the hub. By implementing these hot actions, we can improve the performance of the machines and enhance customer satisfactions. For example, if user can situations reshare their cars without issues, they will have the better experiences and company will remain fewer complaints. Sorry, 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 profe, sorry.